Hello friends, this video on electrostatic potential part 21 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 20 before going ahead with part 21. That we have completed the lesson on electric potential and we had already covered the lesson on electric field as well. It is time to explain you what causes this lightning flash. You saw this in the very first lesson or the introductory screen of this lesson. So now is the time to explain this. Basically what happens is, you would have seen that before a thunderstorm, it generally happens on a cloudy day, right? You see this lightning flash only on a cloudy day. So what happens is, due to some phenomenon, which is, not yet clearly understood what complex phenomenon takes place, that leads to separation of charges. So what happens is the positive charges get separated, gets collected at an upper layer, and the negative charges get collected at a lower layer. And this thing all together forms the cloud. So this is your cloud. So in the cloud, upper half of the cloud consists of the positive charges and the lower half consists of the negative charges. Now since this lower half is comparatively nearer to the surface of the earth, what happens is the earth seems to be at a higher potential. So if let us suppose if this is earth, so earth is at a higher potential when compared to the lower layer of the cloud. As a result, what happens whenever there is a difference in potential? I told you before also in this chapter, this is what we studied, right? There is a difference in potential. Somebody is at higher potential, something is at lower potential. So that means flow of charges might take place. So an electric field is set up. So here between the lower layer of the cloud and the earth, electric field is set up. So what happens because of the presence of this electric field, the air which is present here, in this portion, what is there? Atmosphere, that is mixture of air. So the air which is present here in presence of this electric field gets ionized. What do you mean by ionized? That means that molecule, for example, just now I gave you an example of hydrogen molecule. When it loses one electron, it gets ionized. That means it becomes an ion. And you know that ions are very good carriers of electricity, right? Because they can be easily removed. Whenever you have a stable molecule, it is not easy to move an electron from that molecule. But when you have an ion, it is very easy for that ion to conduct charge. So as a result, the intervening air gets ionized and these charges, these ions rather, they conduct charge from cloud to the earth. So the charges are conducted from cloud to earth in the form of this lightning flash, which you normally see. Right? So how does it happen? Your cloud is formed by accumulation of positive charges on the upper half and negative charges in the lower half. Right? Now, when you compare the lower half of the cloud with earth, earth is at a higher potential. Right? As a result, electric field is set up between lower layer of cloud and earth. This electric field will ionize the air which is present. Now, as the air gets ionized, these ions act as carriers of charge from cloud to earth. And this charge carrier, this thing is observed as a lightning flash. It is often referred as electric breakdown in terms of science. So this is how this phenomenon basically takes place. So I hope that you are now clear with the concept of electric potential. So the next lesson we will start on capacitance, which is again related to all these things. As long as we are studying electrostatics, all these things are related, right? So please make sure that you watch the videos in sequence. If you directly watch the video on capacitance, I think it might be difficult for you. So it is better that you watch the videos in sequence. You first watch all the videos on electric field, electric force, then you come to electric potential, and then you go to capacitance. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.